Assalamu alaikum. So today I am making a video on a topic if you want to export your sheets to Excel from any software. So if and you are having this error and you are not able to export your sheets to the Excel. So what you are gonna do if you receive this error? It's a very simple method. You just go into the add or remove programs and select whatever version of Microsoft Office Excel you have installed in your computer on your Windows. You have to click on modify button. You can see my screen here. You have to click yes, then it will pop up this window. Now you have to click on quick repair. There are two options, online repair or quick repair. You have to click on quick repair and then you will just click on repair. It will take few minutes and your issue will be resolved and you won't see the error. This error won't be Microsoft Office Interloop Excel application. This error will be removed and you will be again able to export your Excel sheets to the Excel. Thank you. If you are still having this problem, let me know in comment sections and I will give you another method to solve the problem. Thank you.